Growing number of cases is now forcing Orange County Mayor Jerry Demings to take action. He's making face masks a requirement while out in public. News 6's Eric Sandoval is live tonight with more on this executive order. So, Eric, when does it start?
It takes effect first thing on Saturday morning, Matt. Mayor Jerry Demings says his hand was really pushed with this when he saw the number of new cases going up and up with every day, as you just mentioned. Now the Florida Department of Health is hoping that a mask can help prevent Florida from becoming the next hotspot.
So it's concerning to me.
Mayor Jerry Demings says he had no choice but to sign new rules into place to stop the spread of the coronavirus.
I have issued or signed an executive order requiring every person working, living, visiting, or doing business in Orange County to wear a facial covering consistent with the CDC guidelines while in any public space.
His executive order comes as Orange County sees a rising number of new COVID-19 infections. 316 new cases on Wednesday alone. The median age, 29 years old. The Florida Department of Health says more than 150 of this week's new cases have now been linked to establishments around the area of UCF.
Everyone's going to get sick. Everything's open and there's like 200 people in bars and everyone's going to get sick. It's pretty obvious.
Alex Lumen and Alexis LeBlanc say the county's requirement to wear a mask is a good idea.
With like the second wave coming, I feel like it could really what can it hurt, you know?
The executive order comes the same day a new study from the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia projected Florida could be one of the nation's hot spots for new coronavirus cases. Professor Jeffrey Morris explains why.
There's been a consistent uptick in many locations in Florida in the last few weeks in incidents that has clearly outpaced any increase in testing.
Those are projections that take into consideration the data today.
Dr. Raul Pino at the Florida Department of Health in Orange County says his numbers show the same trend. But he says today was a turning point. He says the mayor's executive order requiring people to wear masks in public could make a difference quickly.
Even if people use just face masks, we should be a significant reduction of infections in 2 weeks.
So how is this going to be enforced? Well, the mayor says it's really going to be up to people who see businesses not following these guidelines to report them. And at that point, the Florida Department of Health says they're going to send in their inspectors and meet with the management and help them craft best practices for moving forward with these guidelines. There will be no criminal action taken. We are live in Orange County tonight. Eric Sandoval, Getting Results, News 6. Back to you.
Eric, thank you.